Hello everyone, this is BSc second year class of ordinary differential equation. Today we are going to discuss linear differential equation with constant coefficients. Linear differential equation with constant coefficients. So definition. A differential equation of the form dny by dx raised to n plus a1 dn minus 1 y divided by dx raised to n minus 1 plus a2 dn minus 2 y divided by dx raised to n minus 2 plus so on an y is equal to x, where the a1 a2 an are constants, where a1 a2 an are constants. And x is a function of x, where capital X is a function of x, small x. Is a function of small x. It is called linear differential equation of nth order and first degree. It's called linear differential equation of nth order and first degree, because the order of this differential equation is n and the power of dny by dx raised to n is 1, first degree. Linear differential equation of nth order and first degree. So above equation, the notation, another notation to denote the above equation. So the above equation can be written as dny plus a1 dn minus 1y plus a2 dn minus 2y and so on plus any is equal to x, where capital D is equal to d by dx and a1 a2 an are constants. These are constants. Now general solution of differential equation. General solution of differential equation. So general solution is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. So the general solution of any differential equation, it is equal to complementary function and particular integral. Now we are going to discuss how to find the complementary function for a given differential equation. So write down complementary function. That is CF, complementary function. The solution which contains, so what is meant by complementary function? The solution which contains number of arbitrary constants equal to the order of the differential equation equal to the order of differential equation is called complementary function. Now complementary function is what? So the function which contains number of arbitrary constant equal to the order of differential equation. So if the order of the differential equation is 4, then the complementary function contains 4 arbitrary constant. If the differential equation of order 3, then the complementary function contains 3 arbitrary constants. Now to find complementary function, we require auxiliary equation. So let us discuss auxiliary equation. To find auxiliary equation, consider the equation dny plus a1 dn minus 1y plus a2 dn minus 2y plus any is equal to 0. So the right part of this equation take 0. That is, this can be also written as dn plus a1 d raised to n minus 1 plus a2 d raised to n minus 2 plus an into y is equal to 0. So the auxiliary is so this is called as auxiliary equation of the differential equation. So it is called auxiliary equation of a given differential equation. Now methods to find complementary function. So there are some methods which are helps us to calculate the complementary function. Methods of finding the complementary function. The complementary function. Solve the equation dn plus a1 d raised to n minus 1 plus a2 d raised to n minus 2 plus an is equal to 0 for values of d. So this is the n degree equation, so it must has n roots. So consider the factorization will be d minus m1 d minus m2 and so on d minus mn. So degree is n, therefore consider m1 m2 dot mn, there must be n roots. So then we can classify the roots and we can find, then we can classify the roots and we can find complementary function of linear differential equation. We can find complementary function of linear differential equation by following ways. According to the roots that are distinct, that are equal, that may be complex conjugate of each other, the complementary function is classified as follows. So if roots of, so first, if roots of d equal to m1 m2 mn of auxiliary equation are real and distinct, of auxiliary equation are real and distinct, real and distinct means unequal, then the complementary function must be c1 e raised to m1x plus c2 e raised to m2x plus cn e raised to mnx. So these c1 c2 cn are n arbitrary constant are equal to the real the order of differential equation. Now second, if two roots are equal, if two roots are equal and two roots are equal and real, so if m1 equal to m2 m3 m4 mn are the roots of the differential equation, the auxiliary equation, then the complementary function is equal to c1 plus c2x e raised to m1x or m2x plus c3 e raised to m3x plus and so on cn e raised to mnx equal to y. Now third, if three roots are equal, if three roots are equal, then that is m1 equal to m2 equal to m3, then m4 m5 and so on mn, then y is equal to, that is complementary function is equal to c1 plus c2x plus c3 x square into e raised to m1x plus c4 e raised to m4x and so on plus cn e raised to mnx. Fourth condition, if two roots are complex conjugates, if two roots are complex conjugates of each other, that is if a plus minus ib these two roots, then m3 m4 m5 and so on mn, then y is equal to e raised to, that is ax then a cos of bx plus b sin of bx plus c3 e raised to m3x plus and so on plus cn e raised to mnx. So these are the method to solve the given differential equation or to calculate the complementary function for a given differential equation. So today's lecture I am going to stop over here. Thank you.